Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of This versus That. The Sony A5100, a great vlogging camera, very affordable, has a flip-up screen where you can frame yourself while talking to the camera. The fast focusing is awesome, very fast and precise. The one thing that this bad boy is lacking is the ability to add an external mic where you can enhance the sound quality. So today, we'll let you be the judge if the audio coming from this camera is good enough for you. Roll the intro. Really? How about 4 steps? Hey guys, we're here at NAM eating our favorite dishes. Oh snap, look at that. It's called the Vivo with marinade pork. Enjoy.
So how would you do the audio test on this? How would you do the audio test on that?
I'm just gonna talk.
Like,
Kind of idea.
you want to do like further audio test and closer and stuff like that? Like the way we did, you know?
Yeah, but in the real world scenario, when you're vlogging, you're not gonna.
Well, the people set things up on a tripod, right?
Yeah, so that's not for vlogging cameras like this. It's for like these kind of.
Really? Yeah. I think people drop this on a tripod.
Okay.
Pop it over.
Okay, so here's the audio test. Me holding the tripod, extending my arm. See if you. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
You have plenty of content. Like, I would say in Vietnam, it's kind of like New York City. There's so much content out there. You know, so.
Well, yes and no. The kind of content is same anywhere. Food is food. Technology is technology. You won't meet different type of people because they have more people, you know?
But what I'm saying is that the environment is set up to where it's a country where they're used to people walking around with the camera, backpacking, you know, tourists, right? Let's say we're in Texas here. Yeah. It's not common to be carrying around these big cameras in a restaurant talking. You know what I'm saying? It's not common. And so I think from a content perspective, it's easier to make content in a busy area like that, like Saigon, like Ho Chi Minh City.
Because that's the norm, right?
Yeah, because that's the norm, because people are carrying around cameras all the time, taking pictures, you know, tourists, right? I mean, if we go down to downtown, there's plenty of people carrying cameras around, so it's not that awkward, right? But it's only downtown. It's this little. You're talking about if you go to Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh. I mean, it's like, right? So I think from a location perspective, it's a great place to be making YouTube videos.
Hey guys, here's another audio test. We're inside a place that has music playing up. Just seeing if you can hear my voice. I'm holding about 2.5 feet away from my body. Let me know if you can hear my voice.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of This versus That. Today, we are going to do some 4K testing. I have here a Sony A6500. We are going to compare that along with the iPhone 7 Plus 4K. We're going to drop this baby on top here, and we're going to walk around with it. Stay tuned and roll the intro. No. No.
Alright.
No.
We have to try the beholder.
I say we.
Dude, so we could do it like a couple of videos.
We need some kind of comparison, yeah. Over here.
Okay. Action.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we are. Oh. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of This versus That. Today we are going to do an episode where we will compare the 4K footage on the Sony A5100 along with the iPhone 7 Plus 4K. So, are you guys ready? Roll the intro.
This concludes our test on the A5100. Let us know what you think about the audio coming from this little bad boy, and if this is the right camera for you. Until next time.